Hi everyone and welcome back to today's morning report on Wednesday the 22nd of April with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Handtech Markets. I'm going to move on to dollar yen now, and the consolidation range continues. We've had a couple of bullish candles in the last 2 days, but then it looks like it's sort of slowing in terms of the recovery again today, although you would argue there is a very slightly positive look to the stochastics within this range, so perhaps there is that move. But I've got here highlighted this this pivot band at 119.40, which I will show you on the intraday chart is a big level. Has been, actually you can go back further than that. There you go, further. 119.40, big pivot level at 119.40, and that once again we are trading around 119.40. So it remains a very important level, and the fact that we're sort of still trading above it, I suppose, gives you a little bit of confidence, but I think generally speaking it is basically around which we're trading. So any move below it, you'd argue, is sort of more of a bearish move. Within the range this is, anything above it, or if this support continues to hold above it, and yesterday we had a breakout and then support pretty much bang on 119.40. So if that support now holds again, then you're sort of still looking on the more positive side. You've got the MACD lines just drifting back towards neutral, which arguably suggests that it's just unwinding a positive move. But I think just generally speaking, this is a big range-bound chart, and it's just very difficult to play because of the lack of real decisive trading. We've had this quite consistent sequence of lower highs and lower lows, but now that's sort of been turned around again, and we're sort of now back to this key pivot level at 119.40. So in terms of exactly the next move, it's very difficult to say. I think the only thing you can really potentially do is maybe, I don't know, play the RSI extremes, things like that. Maybe use any sort of range bound techniques. So I think within that, maybe the RSI, playing the RSI extreme. So you sort of sell the RSI at 70, buy it at 30, things like that. But other than that, I think dollar yen is a tricky play at the moment, and until you get any real breakout above, sort of breakout below 118.30, which if I show you here, 118.30 is the big support. Unless you get a break below that or above the range high, recent range high is 120.84, but obviously 122 figure is the ultimate high of this band. But until you see a decisive move above these or below these levels, then I don't really see that trading dollar yen is going to be particularly easy, especially with the attention paid to that pivot level. So we're above the pivot level at the moment, so we're staying a little positive, but again, it's range bound and difficult to say. So I wish you good luck in your trading, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.